Ei, é o salame, babak no papier, é o salame, zinzal bem, é o salame, ei, ei.
Hi guys, my name is Indigo and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Recently, I've had an abundance of PR just kind of piled up in the corner of my room, and I haven't really gotten to it yet. I don't think I've ever actually done a first impressions or review on my channel, so like, why not break the ice today? So that is exactly what we're going to be doing, and this is all first impressions. I have never actually touched these products before. In fact, I don't even know what some of them actually look like. So you guys are going to see my real reaction. I really don't give a f about what brands have to think about me. So I went ahead and applied my base makeup because I actually haven't gotten any PR for that. I'm going to start off with my brows. We've got a whole bunch of products. I don't really know which ones to use. The company is called Arches and Halo. I believe they're a Target exclusive. Don't quote me on that, but I know you can definitely find them on Target. This looks interesting. It's an angled brow shading pencil. We might use that. And a micro defining brow pencil. So I'm gonna go ahead with this one first. I can't really do much with these nails, oh my god. They're pretty though, so I don't care. I believe these products are like within like the $10 to $15 price range, maybe $8. This is the packaging, as you can see. Very sleek and black, very generic, honestly. So you basically just kind of like swivel it up. Also, how are we feeling about the pink background? I just thought I just needed like a change. So I'm just gonna brush these little hoes out. One thing I am going to point out is that I don't know if it's just exclusive to this one, but no matter what I do, it's really flimsy. I don't know how good this is gonna be when it comes to efficiency. I mean, it's doing what it has to do. I mean, okay. Now for the hell of it, I'm just gonna try the angled brow pencil, just because I've actually never seen something like this. It is definitely a lot thicker, look at that. Oh wow, that's really thick. Can you guys see that? That's incredibly thick for brows. Not a fan of this one. Way too thick. I don't really see like the purpose when it comes to this one, unless you're making like, yeah, I just don't really see the purpose in this one. That's a flop. However, I really think this one's actually kind of like a dupe for the Precisely My Brow by Benefit. If you can just get past this whole ordeal, it actually doesn't affect the application because when you apply it, there's still some pressure behind the product. I was really worried that since it has all that looseness when you like swivel it up, sometimes when you use a mechanical pencil, the lead goes like right back in and you can't write. I thought that was gonna happen. It didn't. So if you can get past that, this is a pretty decent dupe for the Precisely My Brow. I wanted to try the brow highlighting stick, but it looks like it's gonna be a little too dark for my complexion. I mean, we could try it, because I am actually darker than I think, but I don't think I'm this dark. Bro, get out of the packaging, bro. Girl, I better not fucking ruin a nail doing this. Oh, there you go, finally. Getting that was a hassle, and during that hassle, I kind of ruined the highlighting portion of it. Honestly, I can already tell that that highlighter was definitely not my shade. I do think actually this is gonna work. Maybe. Yeah, it did work. It did. Since I'm gonna start using brushes to start blending things out, I'm actually gonna introduce the brushes that I'm gonna try today. These brushes are by a company called Pink Star Cosmetics. I really like this packaging so much. It has like weight to it. Like when you close it, it's like, it does like satisfying. The brushes are like really cute colors. They match the background for today. They also have all of their uses written down so you don't have to guess, which like, I mean, I like that, but at the end of the day, I'm still gonna use this for whatever I want to. These are soft. They look synthetic, so I'm going to assume they're synthetic. I think these are synthetic. I'm gonna make sure when I'm editing this to see if they're synthetic or not. Nobody has sent me a mirror yet, and honestly, that's what I need because I just want to break another one. Okay, so the brush and the product are doing a really good job at blending out, so that is really good. Yeah, my brows look pretty decent. Let me see. We've also got this clear brow gel. Now, this one I'm gonna judge pretty harshly because I do love myself the Benefit 24 Brow Setter. So, we'll see. Oh, I got some on my nose. Well, it doesn't smell like anything, so I guess that's actually a plus. I'm not really a fan of like my makeup smelling like anything. Oh, I don't know if you can see that, but it really made my brows look like when I'm fresh out of the shower and they're like really defined and wet, which I actually really like. It has not quite dried down yet, so I'm gonna see how long it takes to dry down, if it even does. Okay, so I decided to check online like the prices. The brow gel is $10 and the other products are $12.99. We're gonna continue. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my eyes. We actually have the entire, well, not entire, I actually don't know. But we have some of the Morphe Pride collection that I was sent. So we have the palette, the brushes, and the limited edition setting mist. All of these are actually limited edition, as a matter of fact. This is a limited edition collection. So I'm actually gonna start off with the palette since this is like the main attraction. It's called the 10G, whoever can pronounce this gets a cookie. Gilson Up? Glisten Up? Apparently Gilson, or whatever the hell it's called, is like some type of organization. So apparently it's like a foundation that believes that every student has the right to a safe and supportive LGBT inclusive K through 12 education. So it's like an education set. Okay, cool. So Morphe allegedly, well, not allegedly, they did. Morphe partnered up with this foundation and they're donating $1 for every single look that uses the hashtag #FreeToBeYou. You guys can also use my code GLAMFAM926 for $5 off any $10 and plus purchase. Unfortunately, that does not include the limited edition collection. So this is actually a whole bunch of glimmers and shimmers. Honestly, this entire bottom row could like get it. Really cute. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these for you guys. First, you just keep it kind. It's kind of like this really bubblegum pink tone. I tried my best, y'all. I'm trying my best. I don't know if this is gonna like actually do it justice. Oh well, not my palette. Then we have like this orange shade called Blaze Trail. Y'all smell? Y'all see that? Then we have this yellow shade Shine Hope. And then we have this teal blue one called Inspire Change. I am so bad at this, dude. Then we've got this purple shade, which is actually really pretty. I don't like purple like that, but it's really pretty. Accept Everyone. Okay, she cute. So overall, the top row is pretty consistent. I don't know if you guys can see it, but they're actually pretty pigmented and pretty shiny. I know they definitely do look a little bit drowned out here. They're definitely very bright and pastel colors. So I'm gonna do the pink one first, called Love Yourself. Ooh, that looks really pretty. Next is the blue one called Be a Visionary. This one had a little bit of like pink eyeshadow in it. This is just glitter completely. There is no actual pigment. Definitely gives for like a very like fairy kind of wet look. The next one is this really vibrant green called Live Your Life. I'm kind of excited to see this one. Ooh, okay. The next one is the one that I've been really excited for. It's called Dream Big and it's like the silvery, don't let me down, girl. Ooh. Yes, Miss Girl, tell 'em. And the last one is this shade called RESPECT. Ooh, that's kind of cute. This one's actually really cute, but I don't really see this being quite as practical as the others in just my eyes because kind of like birthday cake kind of colors. I really do like this one though. This one looks really pretty. I think on the camera though, I have to give it to this one and this one looks the prettiest on camera. Enough talking. I've kind of decided who I'm going to use today and we're gonna try it out on my lids because swatches don't mean anything. Okay, so I went ahead and kind of made like a canvas eyeshadow because there are no mattes in this palette. So realistically, the only thing that we actually can test is these shimmers. I really wanted to give it a very fair chance, so that's why I put a white base. There is no eyeshadow here, it's all just white base. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the shade Dream Big right on all the white part. I've been so excited to try this, guys, you have no idea. When it comes to shimmers and glitters, you definitely want to use your fingers because brushes just don't pick them up like that. Here goes nothing. Ooh. Looks so good. I actually have no idea how I'm gonna do the center because I have long nails. Let's see how the brushes do. They also gave us the Morphe brushes. Let's see how these apply. They're cute, they're cute. I fully do not expect them to apply the glitters just because glitters don't really do that. I mean, it's working actually, so. Here is with and here's without. Honestly, the camera is not doing it justice. I think if I take a picture, you guys would see it a lot better. They feel really buttery on the lid and they don't actually feel chunky. Obviously, you still do feel like the glitter and whatnot because like it's glitter. When you like blink and you move your eye, it doesn't feel like there's anything gritty on your lids, which is usually an issue that these types of eyeshadows have and the reason why I avoid them. It's not that I don't like glitter, it's that I hate removing it. Oh, Okay, so this palette is actually pretty affordable. It is $18. I'm gonna be fully transparent with you guys. I actually don't have a lot of experience with very glittery type of colors and pressed glitters. Do I think they perform well? Yes. Do I think they get the job done? Yes. The top row, I did mess around with them off of camera a little bit, and they do have nice payoff, and they overall do their job, so I would recommend this, in my opinion, which is the only opinion that matters because that's why you're watching this video. Next, I'm gonna do my mascara. I already did the bottom lashes because, like, cheater. I do use different mascara on my bottom and top lashes, so I'm gonna go ahead and try the Carity Bold Mood Mascara. It is allegedly meant to create bold and voluminous lashes without any flaking, clumping, or smudging. We will be the judges of that. It's $12 on Carity.com. They do have their own website. They say that if you want a specifically dramatic look, apply 2 or more coats for a big, bold, voluminous lash. Let's see. So this is the packaging. Oh, I actually really like this. Smells like mascara. I don't think I've actually ever had mascara that smells any different. With every mascara that I do use, I always do this kind of motion and I shake it just because for some reason, I find that it gives me a really seamless application. The brush is honestly really huge. Whoa. I had very low expectations for this. I don't know why, but I think I'm gonna start wearing this mascara. They were not lying when they said that there was no clumping, no smudging. What was the other thing? I don't know, but it looks really, really good. While I was applying it, it literally looked like they were my lashes. Like there was no clumping. It didn't even look like I had mascara on. One thing I will say is that it's not lengthening, and I mean, did it claim that? Bold, voluminous. No, I don't think it did. I think this mascara is actually more geared towards you but better type of makeup. It doesn't read as mascara. It reads more of like, whoa, you have like really healthy lashes. I did apply 2 coats and it did like it said. There was still no smudging, still no clumping, which is really amazing because I know that after I apply like a second coat, things start getting a little weird. And only $12, dude. Are you kidding me? This is the same price point as my drugstore go-to, which is the L'Oreal Voluminizing Lash Paradise. It's a dupe for the Better Than Sex mascara. I would definitely pay $12 for this over the L'Oreal any day. This is a really good mascara for the price point. I think this would even be good even if it was like $29. Wow, and it's cruelty free and it's vegan. Go off. This will be going into my permanent collection. 100% approved. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish my makeup off of camera and I will be right back. We're back and this is the final face. However, we are not done. We still need to try the Continuous Setting Mist by Morphe. Everybody raves about this setting spray. I've actually started liking setting sprays recently, especially after I started using highlighter on my cheeks. This definitely does just like bring it back to life. I actually don't know how this smells. We're about to find out in a second, but I assume it's probably gonna smell like fruity or tropical, especially considering that the last time they had a variation of this was the Jeffree Star collab when they had the strawberry scented one, which I've heard is pretty good, but I've never tried it. So I guess we're about to try this. How do I use this? Wait, so I'm reading the back now. It actually does have a limited edition scent. This does have its own scent and I will describe it in a second because it is different. I did not know that. Ooh, this feels really nice. I'm literally wet. It says it claims to be sweet, but I'm smelling more of like it smells like IKEA, which is not a bad thing because I love IKEA and IKEA smell bomb. Yeah, it smells like IKEA. IKEA in a bottle. Let's talk about how it made my skin look. My skin looks like so good. Stop playing. I can definitely see the hype behind this setting spray. All right, so let's recap everything before I finish things. Brows. No. They're not bad, but I'm not a fan. I just don't see myself reaching for those products. The gel actually still feels a little bit tacky and it looks very wet looking. I think if you are in a very specific market where you do want to have maybe like a photo shoot or something, or you really want like that wet look, this could be the product for you. I don't know. I feel like my brows could have been better, especially if I would have just used my regular products. In terms of the brushes that I did use, which were the Morphe Limited Edition and the Pink Star Cosmetics, I did like them. You guys didn't actually see much of them in the video, but I did enjoy them. They were on par with my regular brushes and I always use BH Cosmetics. As for the pressed glitters, I really do like the bottom row. The top row is like, I'll use them every now and again. But the bottom row is really where it's at. Is it $18 worth it? I'll let you decide on that. The star of the show and the biggest takeaway from this entire video definitely has to be the mascara by Carity. Are you kidding me? $12 and it performed that well? And it's vegan and it's cruelty free. Come on now. If I were to recommend one of these products from today, I would recommend this 100%. Definitely if you are in the market for a cheap, cruelty-free and vegan mascara, this is the one. And I'm not sponsored to be saying anything about any of these products. These were just sent to me. So thank you guys so much for watching. That is all for today. If you guys like my art, if you guys like my energy, please like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my Instagram down below if you don't already. And I will see you guys in the future. Bye-bye.